Hi, Olivia.
Hi.
Hi, Freya.
Hi.
It's LTC here. What have you got there, Olivia?
A Build-A-Bear box.
What's inside your box?
A Build-A-Bear.
Is it? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Should we have a look?
It's a Build-A-Bear day.
Oh, should we open up and look inside?
Oh, Ow.
Wow.
Build-A-Bear.
Build-A-Bear home delivery.
Right.
What do you think's in yours, Olivia?
I think it's Songbird Serenade.
What about yours, Freya? Should we have a look what's inside?
I'm
Take
the
one
Build-A-Bear.
each. Build-A-Bear. Wow, look at them.
And Skye.
Skye, what about yours, Olivia?
Songbird Serenade.
Let's have a look. Oh, I can see something pink in there. Oh, I can see something yellowy. Let's have a look inside.
Wow. Songbird Serenade.
Wow, isn't she amazing? Oh, and what's in there? Something else for her.
It's her top.
It's her cloak, is it? Wow. We'll put that on in a second. Freya, you want to open yours?
Yeah.
Have a look inside.
I found Skye.
Wow.
I found
Show me Skye. Hold her up so I can see.
Wow. So big.
Wow. What's that, her jacket? Should we have a look? How cute are these? They're super cute, super soft, and so big. Aren't they, Olivia?
Yeah.
Is it super big?
Yeah.
And look how big Skye is. So cute. Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should we put their coats on?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at them. So, Songbird Serenade has a little
Okay, it's
Build-A.
guys.
Bear Workshop cape. And it's really glittery and it's got the gold
Where's
buttons on.
Skye?
And Skye has a little hat and a little jacket, which is really shiny and it's really pink. Should we put them on and see what they look
Yeah.
like? A little cape on and see what she looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's gonna go do the other hat. And the hat.
You're going to put them on. Should I help you your jacket on?
Other hat.
Should I put her hat on?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Look on the
And
sky.
her hat's got some little goggles. She's
Yeah.
cute. Look under her chin. That's the Velcro that holds her hat in place. And then she's got her little dog tag here. And then she's got her cute little coat, which is all shiny. Wow, is she cute, Freya?
Yes, it's Skye.
Skye.
Okay, it's gonna be on over there.
And now, Olivia, we need to put on...
Songbird Serenade's
Her hair is looking quite crazy at the moment,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
And her mane.
Yeah.
And she's got a beautiful pink bow.
Yeah.
Should we put her cloak on? It's just super sparkly and glittery.
Yes.
And has the cutouts for
Yes.
her wings.
Yes.
And then it has the Velcro and the gold button.
Yes.
Let's put her hoofs through.
Yeah.
This hoof has Build-A-Bear on it.
Yes.
And see? And then this wraps around like that, around her wing.
And she's on.
And this one wraps around her other wing like that and sits flat on her back.
Yes.
And then we get here and put her other hoof in.
Mhm.
And there's the My Little Pony logo.
Oh, I can see it. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, like that. And it's all super glittery and you can see her gold buttons there. And then the Velcro does up. And then there you go. So there she is with her crazy hair that you can probably brush so that it covers her eyes like in the movie. Yeah? And she's got her sparkly jacket on.
Yes.
And her beautiful rainbow logo.
Yes.
She's a super soft plushie.
Yes.
This one is, you don't stuff this one like you do the bears in the
Yes.
Build-A-Bear workshop.
Yes.
And the same with Skye, you don't stuff her either. You just put her accessories on.
Yes.
And she has the Build-A-Bear logo too on her paw. And they're really cute and cuddly.
Yes.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our at-home Build-A-Bear workshop video.